At YSS, I really learned about how to give a talk for an audience and not for myself.
The idea about thinking about your audience was essential for me because you're not trying to communicate in a vacuum. You're trying to connect to a person.
It's also been really good to get feedback from a really broad range of people, because normally you get your lab group to give you feedback and they know your work inside and out.
At YSS, I learned more about the art of storytelling. This wasn't the first time I'd given this type of talk, but I think this was the first time I've really critically taken a look on how to structure it in a very effective way.
The way I had it before, it was a good presentation, but after this workshop, I think it turned to a great presentation.